Say hi. All right, everyone, welcome here. Today on the menu, breakfast. Cottage bacon, eggs on the Pit Boss Griddle, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use this thing. We got a little canola oil here. I've only got the one side going, and I have it angled so it's gonna go into their little drip tray there. Now we're just gonna fry up some eggs. All right, cottage bacon from Food Ethos Farms. Onions, banana peppers. All right, these things run off propane. Super simple and amazing. This is the ultimate breakfast nook, appliance, kitchen equipment, whatever, deck cooking. We got Kinder's here, tequila, lime. And we're gonna finish it off with some Parmesan. All right, that's breakfast done in minutes, and a dang good one too. Pit Boss Griddle, doesn't get much better than that for your breakfast needs. Makes breakfast easy. Cottage bacon, eggs, garden vegetables. You can check out Rosenort Co-op for this beautiful piece of equipment. I love it. I'm shocked didn't have this before. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's breakfast video. Super quick, super simple. This piece of equipment is amazing. Now I'm just gonna go and eat, and then I'm gonna come out here and clean it.